Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to set up Starlink on your home or residential area, then this video is for you. It's pretty simple to activate your Starlink account and get the Starlink internet for with the high speed on your room or for the residential. So here is two type of thing like residential or room. So you can order it from now. Here you can simply click on order now and you can get the Starlink internet connection on your home. So make sure that you have the physical Starlink box here. And if you have a physical Starlink box, then you should do is you can simply use your mobile web browser. It could be Chrome browser, or you can go with PC or your laptop. Then use any type of preferred web browser where you can search for starlink.com and give a slash and simply search for activate. So after adding activate here, so let me add activate. So activate, simply hit enter and sorry for that, share not share. So here it is. So you can simply search for Starlink activate from here. If it's not working here, if you type activate here, if it's not working, so you can search for Starlink activate directly and you can find the activate page where you should make sure that you have the physical Starlink box, where you can find in the mid portion the serial number. So it should like this. It will combine with the alphanumeric numbers here. So you can add your activation number here. Make sure that you have input your activation code without any type of mistake. After that, if it's your new account or you have activated before for once, so you can go with the existing account, or if it's totally new, if you have not activated your account Starlink account yet, then you can simply click on new account and it will activate as soon as you complete the prompted steps on Starlink website. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.